As the area's premier fencing company, we have managed to install thousands of fences annually. Whether you need security fencing or privacy fencing, we are the ones you can count on to offer this to you. In addition to the installation of your fence, we offer emergency repair services. Here are some of our services. Cedar Picket Privacy Fence. A Cedar Picket privacy fence offers you the privacy you want and is also very attractive. Pressure-treated fence. A pressure-treated fence offers a natural-looking appearance to space it occupies. The environmentally safe and arsenic-free products assure us of your fence lasting for longer. Iron and aluminum. Iron and aluminum fences are a great option when you are looking for a durable and strong fence that provides you with quality and protection. Automatic and electric gates. We also install automatic and electric gates. This type of gate is not only attractive in appearance but it offers convenience. Whether you need an automatic or electric gate for commercial use or residential, we're able to offer it to you. Decks and patio covers. We offer patio and deck covers at every price point. So regardless of your budget, we assure you that we are able to offer you what you are looking for. Fence painting and staining. The appearance of your fence or deck can greatly alter the appearance of the exterior of your home. We will start and finish your project in a timely manner. As the Woodland's fence pros, you need to know, we have been in the fence installation business for more than a decade. Our experts are selected based on their experience and qualifications. We only work with the most skilled fence contractors in the Woodlands because our objective is to make sure the job is done right on the initial visit. Contact us today, 281-631-3523. Visit our website, www.woodlandsfencepros.com.